Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast keyboard typing. First, ensure you have proper posture, sitting upright with your feet flat. Next, place your index fingers on the F and J keys, which have small bumps. This is your home row. Remember to keep your wrists straight and relaxed. The goal is to develop muscle memory, so resist the urge to look down at your fingers. To build speed, utilize online typing programs that offer guided lessons and track your progress. These tools often start with individual keys and gradually introduce words and sentences. Prioritize hitting the correct keys every time. Accuracy is more important than raw speed initially. Consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, are more effective than infrequent long ones.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once comfortable with the home row, expand your reach to other keys using the correct finger assignments. The key is to develop touch typing, where your fingers instinctively know where to go without visual input. Practice typing frequently used words and sentences to build fluency. Engage in typing games or take speed tests to measure your progress and identify areas for improvement. To sustain your typing skills, always adhere to proper posture and finger placement. Avoid reverting to old habits like hunt and peck typing. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 minutes every hour, to stretch your hands and wrists, preventing discomfort. Regularly test your speed and accuracy, aiming for small, consistent improvements over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.